lesson, that is lesson number 9, tortoises and turtles. Tortoises and turtles are the fascinating creatures. They are wonderful God-made creatures. They are often cute in their own weird, they are slow moving and sometimes freaky way, and also fascinating. People often think that turtles and tortoises are the same, but they are very different creatures. Let us learn about their differences. Tortoise and turtle. Tortoises and turtles have hard bony shells on their back to protect their bodies. The shells also act as their homes. These animals retract into their shells in times of danger or inactivity. Means they both have hard, solid, bone type of shells. Means the hard outer frame on their back to protect their bodies. Their shells also act as their homes. And in some cases, the animals pull back into their shells in times of danger or inactivity. Means inactive or when there is no activity. Now let's go through the difference between the tortoise and the turtle. Tortoises live on land. It means it is a land animal. The tortoises live on land. They are called as a land animal. Next, tortoises have large dome-shaped shells. Their shells are very heavy. It means they have large dome-shaped shells and it is very heavy. Now let me tell you the explain of dome. You take an orange and cut into a half. You have to place the cut half on the table. That is called the dome shape. Dome shape means it's a rounded structure. It is a round shape and it is a curved structure. Okay. Next, tortoises have short and sturdy feet and bent legs. It means they have short, powerful, solid and muscular feet with the bent legs. Tortoises are vegetarians, means they eat vegetables and they eat fiber fruits. Tortoises can live up to 150 years. The lifespan is up to 150 years. They are also a land animal. They have dome-shaped shells. It is very heavy. Tortoises have short, powerful, muscular feet with the bent legs, and they are the vegetarians. They eat fiber fruits. Okay. Now let's see the features of the turtles. Turtles live in or around water. It means they are the water animal. Turtles have flat and sleek shells. Their shells are light, which makes it easier for them to swim. The turtles have flat and a shiny shells, which makes them, the shells are very light so that they can swim easily. Okay. Turtles have webbed feet with long claws and zipper-like fins to make swimming easier. It means webbed meaning it is connected or joined. So their feet are joined with the long claws, and zipper meaning zipper-like fins means it's like a fish. Okay, so that they can swim easily in the water. Next, turtles are omnivorous and eat both plants and insects. It means it eats all plant as well as the insect. It is veg as well as the non-vegetarian. Okay. Turtles have a short lifespan of about 80 years. How much life do they have? They have life of 80 years. So now the turtle is a water animal. It has a flat and sleek shells, means it is a smooth and shiny shells which they can swim easily in the water. Turtles have webbed feet, means they have a long claws, they have long nails, and they have fins like fish so that they can swim easily in the water. Turtles are omnivorous animals and they have a lifespan of 80 years. Okay.
Tortoises and turtles. Tortoises and turtles are fascinating creatures. Do you know they carry their homes with them? Tortoises and turtles have hard bony shells on their backs to protect their bodies. The shells also act as their homes. These animals retract into their shells in times of danger or inactivity. People often think turtles and tortoises are the same, but they are very different creatures. Let us learn about their differences. Tortoise, turtle. Tortoises live on land. Turtles live in or around water. Tortoises have large dome-shaped shells. Their shells are very heavy. Turtles have flat and sleek shells. Their shells are light, which makes it easier for them to swim. Tortoises have short and sturdy feet and bent legs. Turtles have webbed feet with long claws or zipper-like fins to make swimming easier. Tortoises are vegetarians. Turtles are omnivores and eat both plants and insects. Tortoises can live up to 150 years. Turtles have a shorter lifespan of about 80 years. Turtles and tortoises are amazing animals. Their physical features have helped them survive for millions of years.
Okay children, now let's us read the word meaning. First one is the shell, the hard outer frame. Second one is retract, it is pull back. Sturdy, strong and muscular. Sleek, smooth and shiny. Claw, nail. Omnivorous, an animal or a person that eats a variety of food of both plants and animals. Now children, you have to write these meanings in your English notebook. And the exercise what is given in page number 125, fill in the table with the correct information. That too you have to complete and write down in your English notebook. Home is given, so you have to write tortoise home is on land and turtle in or around water. Okay, so these are the table you have to complete and write in your English notebook. Okay children, now you have to read the lesson and complete your notes in your English notebook. Thank you.